So we will begin with the topic, do not label good or bad immediately. There could be another view. When things happen with us, we tend to call, oh, this is good, this is bad. So good practice is do not label good or bad immediately. There could be another view. Look at the picture. The door opens with good, bad. Let us see. When something happens in life, we immediately label it good or bad almost immediately. Pendulum of thoughts. Example 1, good, bad while reaching office. Let's say good and bad. Simple thing, while reaching office, how many times we think, oh, this has happened good. Oh, this has happened bad. Let us see that. Imagine you are in a hurry to reach office for an important meeting where you have a chance to present your great business idea to your president, and you are stuck in traffic jam. Your great idea, great opportunity, and you get stuck up in traffic jam. You feel bad. I had a great opportunity. I was thinking of doing a great presentation, and there is this traffic jam. You come out of traffic jam within 3-4 minutes. Wow, relief. Good thing happened. And then you speed up to make up the lost time. You come out of traffic jam within 3-4 minutes and you speed up to make up lost time. The policeman stops you for overspeeding. Bad, very bad. You got in traffic jam first, so you started speeding up, and the policeman stops you for overspeeding. Bad. However, he lets you go with warning. He says, sir, what happened? You are all educated, you know, you should not break rule. Take this as warning, and I will let you go. But don't do it again, otherwise I'll give you a ticket. You are relieved. You say, oh, I am lucky. The policeman let me go. You reach office just before the meeting time. Good, you made it. At last you made it. In spite of traffic jam, in spite of police stopping you, you reach without any trouble. Now you will be able to attend the meeting. You come to know after reaching office that the president had to leave for some important work with foreign dignitary, and the meeting is postponed by 1 full month. Then you feel bad. So you feel good and bad. How many times in a short interval of around half an hour? Every time the pendulum was swinging, good, bad, good, bad. Sometimes there are two things series bad. Like policeman catches you is bad and he fines you is further bad. Okay. So good or bad, what can we do? We are in a habit of labeling good or bad, everything immediately, almost instantaneously, good, bad. Why do you want to be judgmental? Why do you want to judge the situation so instantly? Is there in a hurry? right thing will be not to label. Let us go for example number 2, pendulum of thoughts. Example number 2, I want you to understand this is what happens with us. This is what happens with us. You are preparing a business plan for launching a new product. You have already prepared a business case. You prepared benefit management plan. You have prepared roadmap, milestones, all this in a short period of last 2 days. Good. You are preparing for your business case. Good. Today, you wanted to continue with your business case and give the final shape to your business case, and your computer crashes. Bad. Very bad. Normally, you keep copy of your daily work on cloud. But you did not do it today. You did not back up this time. It looks like you lost all your data. Very bad. Very hard work put in for 2 days for preparing a business case. You are about to give the final shape and the computer crashes. Very bad. You thought of calling your hardware engineer. In normal case, he would have come. But due to Corona lockdown, he cannot visit you. This is bad. You have prepared your case, put in hard work, computer crashes, and on top, your hardware engineer cannot come and visit you. Still, you talk to him. And he says he can try out remotely. Wow, this is good. There is a way out. He need not come here. He can try out from there. You have to pass on the access to him. Next day, so accordingly you give him access. And next day, he recovers most of the data. Very good. So finally the trouble came, but most of the data he could recover. Now you see, preparing a business case of 2-3 days, 4 days, 1 week work, in which computer crashes, you feel the data is gone, you are frustrated, you call your hardware engineer, he cannot come because of the Corona lockdown. Still you call him, can you do something? He says, okay, I will try to do it remotely. Give me access of your machine. You give access of your machine, and next day he recovers most of the data. You see, in this much short work, why feel good, bad? Because every time it gives you stress. Can we remain cool? Let's see. Sometimes this habit of judging good or bad is so deeply rooted in our minds that we don't even realize that we have become judgmental by nature. It is our nature now, second nature, to become judgmental. Good or bad thoughts give stress, so you must try to be cool. Every time you feel bad, you get stressed, maybe to a small extent, but it is there. This stress builds up a huge burden on us. Remember, every time saying, oh, bad, oh, very bad. I've seen some people saying, oh, shit. Every time they say, they will say this language, foul language. Why? What for? Why do you want to blame your luck so frequently? And every time you do so, it builds a stress, small stress. And when you accumulate, you find you gather a huge burden on your head. There are many incidents in our lives which we felt as bad. However, later on, those proved to be good.